Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hello, Stockage Investment Case subscribers. Welcome to this video. I'm super delighted that you have decided to subscribe to our investment cases. I strongly feel that a systematic, data-driven, with full of evidence leads to peaceful investing. Financial market is full of noise, full of distractions, full of narratives. In this scenario, it is very important for people who are part-time in market or who are in something else and still want to make money from stock market to be disciplined and use data for decision making. Stockage investment cases are exactly meant to provide you a framework where you can design your discipline in a much better manner. How do you use investment cases is something which I want to discuss in this short video. Now, if you're a Stockage member, you can go through Stockage or you can also visit stockageinvest.smallcases.com. We have hosted our investment cases in this beautiful platform called Smallcase. Now, let me show you how through Stockage you can subscribe and you can manage your investment case. So go inside the investment case section here. You can see all the investment cases which we have created. You see, these are the investment cases we have. We have Nifty 50 investment case, which is currently down, but minimum investment required is around 97,000 rupees. What is this? We identified 10 top stocks in Nifty, and accordingly, we recommend you that these 10 stocks should be part of your portfolio. Currently, we have kept it as discretionary. So whenever we see there is a need of shift in momentum from one stock to the other stock, we accordingly inform you to shift your trade. Then we have Nifty Momentum N200, which give you 10 stocks from 200 Nifty basket. Then we have Nifty 500, which gives you 10 stocks from Nifty 500 basket. As you can see, the return profile is very, very different. The risk profile is very, very different. Then you have Nifty Dynamic Wealth Creation, which is a combination of ETFs of gold, Nifty and cash, which is available to you for your long-term investing. And you have Stockage Sector Rotation, which is basically giving you top 10 stocks based on sector rotations. Now, currently we have these. We definitely have more intention of launching more such small cases, which you can subscribe. These are amazing way to participate in market. Once you subscribe from here, you can actually select. You can go inside, see more details. You can actually subscribe from here and you get access to their transaction platform. So if you have any specific broker, you can transact from the broker of your choice. So let me show you that. Say, for example, I've subscribed to N200. I'm a subscriber here. Okay. Let me just show you how to transact. Once you have subscribed, you can actually go to that specific case, which you can go from here. Say, for example, I'm going from here to N200, where I'm one of the subscribers. I can actually go inside the small case payment gateway, which connects to all the brokers. It will ask you to log in to the broker of your choice. And after you have logged in, you will be able to see the stocks which you need to invest in. So the whole integration of idea generation to direct transaction with the broker of your choice, which must be there in one of these brokers, is already done by the small case gateway. So for you, the entire journey is very, very easy. If there is any portfolio rebalancing which is required, we will send you through small case. We will send you email, we'll send you WhatsApp notification, we'll send you notification in the app itself, or you can download the small case app as well, which will send you the notification and you can get to see the rebalancing which is required. So you just need to click accept the rebalancing and that will happen automatically through the gateway. So the whole journey is very, very smooth. Once you start transact first, you will get a taste of the journey in first transaction, and after that, you will find it to be extremely, extremely useful in your equity investing journey. My suggestion to people is, you may be investing in mutual funds, you may have SIP in mutual fund, take some cash out, take some capital out and try our small cases. which will give you a direct equity exposure at the same time, which will help you in enhancing your return possibility while direct investing. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Best wishes to you and take care of yourself. This is Vivek Bajaj, building Make in India tools for you for upliftment. Thank you so much. Bye. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.